Checking back in from the Ocean Gateway in Portland. We've been here now for a few hours and conditions have definitely deteriorated. We're seeing winds blow the snow from side to side as it's come in. When we got here, this surface below me was actually pretty bare. Now it's covered in a decent snowpack, and this is that heavy, wet snow. I want to show you right now the kind of consistency of it. This is like snowball or snowman making snow. So a lot of fun when you're doing that, but as it settles on power lines or to shovel and clear it, it's going to be a little bit more of a hassle. Portland, one of the areas in Maine that's under a blizzard warning, as we've seen conditions continue to go downhill, especially in York County along 95 and the Maine Turnpike. So keep it locked here. We will be in the greater Portland area for the rest of the day. You can watch both on air and online.